हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 79, द Ripkich Plains, from the book The Book Thief, written by Marcus Zusak. Her hand was sore by page 3. Words are so heavy, she thought, but as the right night wore on, she was able to complete 11 pages. Page 1. I tried to ignore it, but I know this all. Started with the train and the snow and my coughing brother. I stole my first book that day. It was a manual for digging graves, and I stole it on my way to Himmel Street. She fell asleep down there on a bed of dust sheets, with the paper curling at the edges, up on the taller paint tin. In the morning, Mamma stood above her, her chlorinated eyes questioning. Liesel, she said, what on earth are you doing down here? I am writing, Mamma. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Rosa stormed back up the steps. Be back up in 5 minutes, or you get the bucket treatment. Worse state. I understand. Every night, Liesel made her way down to the basement. She kept the book with her at all times. For hours, she wrote, attempting each night to complete 10 pages of her life. There was so much to consider, so many things in danger of being left out. Just be patient, she told herself, and with the mounting pages, the strength of her writing first fist grew. She even replicated the world shaker and the stand over man, tracing over the pictures and copying the words, even pointing out the mean calf had often bled through. The first sketches she ever saw in Mac's book also made an appearance to tell the story exactly as she remembered it. Sometimes she wrote about what was happening in the basement at the time of writing. She had just finished the moment when Papa had slapped her on the church steps. And how did Hail Hitler together? Looking across, Hans Huberman was packing the accordion away. He did just played for half an hour as Liesel wrote. Page 42. Papa sat with me tonight. He brought the accordion down and sat close to where Max used to sit. I often look at his fingers and face with his when he plays. The accordion breathes. Where are lines on the cheeks? There are lines on the cheeks. They look drawn on, and for some reason, when I see them, I want to cry. I want to cry. It is not for any sadness or pride. I just like the way they move and change. Sometimes I think my page is an accordion. When he looks at me and smiles and breathes, I hear the notes. After 10 nights of writing, Munich was bombed again. Liesel was up to page 102 and was asleep in the basement. She did not hear the cuckoo for the silence, and she has holding the book in her sleep when Papa came to wake her. Liesel, come. She took the book thief and each of her other books, and they fetched from Hotzefeld. Page 175. A book floated down the Amper River. A boy jumped in, caught up to it, and held it in his right hand. He grinned. He stood waist deep in the icy, Decemberish water. How about a kiss? So much, he said. By the next raid, and October 2, she was finished. She was finished. Sorry. And she was holding the book in her sleep. When Papa came to take her, Liesel come. She took the book thief and came to her other books, and they fetched from her they fell. Page 175. A book floated down the Amber River. A boy jumped in, caught up to it, and held it in his right hand. He grinned. He stood waist deep in the icy Decemberish water. How about a kiss, Shawmans? He said. By the next raid on October 2, she was finished she was finished. Only a few dozen pages remained blank, and the book thief was already starting to read over that what she did written. The book was divided into 10 parts, all of which were given the title of books or stories are described how each affected her life. Often, I wonder what page she was up to when I walked down Himalayan Street in the dripping tap rain. 5 nights later, I wonder what she was reading when the first bomb dropped from the ribcage of a plane. Personally, I like to imagine her looking briefly at the wall, at Max Vanderbird's tightrope cloud, his dripping sun, and the figures walking toward it. Then she looks at the agonizing attempts of her paint-written spelling. I see the Fuhrer coming down the basement steps with his tied together boxing gloves hanging casually around his neck, and the book thief rereads, and rereads her last sentence for many hours. The book thief last line, I have hated the words and I have loved them, and I'll hope I have made them right. Outside the wall whistle, the rain was stained. यहाँ पे होती है हमारी चैप्टर नंबर 79 खत्म. मिलेंगे हम विद चैप्टर नंबर 80 द बुक थीफ रिटन बाय मार्कस ड्यूजैक. बाय फॉर नाउ माय फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू व्यूअर्स. बाय.